So I'm gonna call this triangle drill. We're gonna use 4 different scenarios here. One's gonna be a slide, slide, close out, cross step, slide, cross step, close out, cross step, and then 2 other ones, kind of doing some different movements off of it, okay? So, start off, we're hopping, 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 hopping. We're going. That's one. We can also do the same thing. Here. I can also go like that too. Kind of open up both ways. It's gonna be a cross step. So side step, slide, cross step. Here. That'll be number 2. Number 3 will be in the next video. Hold on.